did it. We got it done. We got our workouts in for the day.
You sound surprised.
I'm not surprised. They might be surprised because we're at is it Illahani? No. We're at a casino.
On the Cowlitz Reservation north of Vancouver.
Yeah.
I don't know how you... Alani.
Okay. Don't quote us on any of that. But,
super cool.
yeah, they let you spend the night here, parking lot. You don't have to check in with security or anything. And we got into town late. So we don't want to pay for a campground even further north. In fact, there's Paradise Point State Park that's very near here. Same exit, but we don't love the park. It's very loud. It's right on the freeway. So we didn't need to plug in or anything. So we just came and...
We stayed a lot of casinos around the U.S. and Canada, all over. And this is one of the nice ones, very level.
Yeah.
You know, some of them you have to go in and check in. Some you have to, there's just different rules.
Yeah.
Some you pay. This one is, you just roll into the RV parking lot. There's security. They come, they're friendly.
Yeah, really nice. But not probably the most ideal place to get a workout in, but you know, something we've made a priority, not just we'll do it when it's convenient type of scenario.
We could probably, I don't know if anyone would be interested, let us know, but fitness is pretty much, it's something that we're, it's probably one of the most important things in our life is our workout, our fitness. We've never really, I mean, 8 years of doing videos, if we ever did a video on
like staying fit,
working out and the way we stay fit, I don't think we ever have. But I don't know. But it's something we do. I mean, I try to work out every single day, something every single day.
Yeah.
And it's super challenging on the road.
Yeah, but every time you do it, you know, when it is the most challenging, it makes the next most challenging time easier, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, it requires discipline. You know, they talk about that, you know, everyone says, I wish I was as motivated as you. I was not motivated in the slightest to go run this morning. I ran 10 laps around this casino parking lot. It's the second time I've been here and I've run 5 miles. It's a half-mile lap. Get 5 miles in, but it's not motivation, it's discipline. Just gonna do it. It's non-negotiable.
For me, I love the health benefits of it, but my main priority is really my mental health, and that is the sure way for me to really just clear my head and set my day up for positivity. And
yeah, we've been doing it for so long that you know what it's like when you're not doing it.
Oh yeah.
I think they've proven that working out is like 2.5 times more effective than any antidepressant drug on the market.
Yeah, don't quote us on the number, but it is more effective than antidepressants.
I know sometimes if I'm busy and I haven't worked out, Irene will look at me and I don't know what I'm doing, but it's like, maybe you should go for a run.
You need to work out.
But yeah,
I mean, I'm the same too.
And with all the stuff going on with, you know, Tyler's cancer and being here, this isn't where we would be for any other reason right now.
It'd be really, really easy to not work out at all now.
And it could be depressing, but we're not depressed. This is what it is.
Yep.
We're gonna workouts in. It feels good.
Yeah. Yeah, so speaking of Tyler, we are headed into Portland this morning. We're gonna go kind of hang out and see what he needs today.
He's going through a rough patch in his chemo treatment schedule.
Yeah.
This is he's at the point where
he's pretty much just kind of laying down and hanging out.
Stomach. There's just a lot of side effects.
The side effects are kicking in.
So it's good. It's good to go there and see what we can do to
check in,
hang out, maybe cook him something. I don't know.
Yeah, if he feels like eating. So anyway,
he's such a good cook. I can't wait till he's better so he can cook for us again.
Yeah. Yeah. So we're just touching base with him today, and then tonight I think we're going up a little bit further north to
Brook Hollow
in Longview. Kelso area.
Kelso, Longview area.
And it's kind of expensive campground. It's an RV park. Normally not someplace we'd stay, but of course we're trying to find places that are very near Portland.
But it's a weekend, and it always has some back-end spots available that we could plug in, and they have a laundromat, and they have a gym, and there's a great gravel dike road that's a great place to run. It's 8 mile.
And you have a long run coming up, so that will coordinate with our time there.
We could really do a whole video on our workouts and how we kind of plan for them.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Maybe
not. Maybe we'll just talk about it another 8 years.
Yeah, probably. That's more likely. Anyway, okay. Well, wish us luck with traffic. We're headed into the city.
The belly of the beast.
Yeah, we're actually getting, I don't want to say, but we're kind of getting used to it. It's getting easy, not easier, just we just know what to expect, I guess. So we're like, okay, there's gonna be traffic,
and we'll show you what Portland City street parking's like when we get there.
Shockingly, not where we were hit. We were hit in Vancouver where it was super wide, but yeah, Portland, it's hairy. So all right, let's go into the city.
Harry. All right, let's go.
All right.
100 feet. The destination is on your right.
Okay, good here. Good in the back. My side's good. Oh my gosh, yours is worse. How'd we do? Good? That's so nerve-wracking. Good morning. We made it to the RV park last night and we were just so exhausted after that drive. We don't do well in traffic. It's just really all your senses on high alert for the whole drive. So we had to drive into Portland, drive out of Portland yesterday. It was a lot. So we got here and we just turned off, basically. I have everything in a giant mess this morning because I'm doing laundry. So I have all the bedding. I have 3 loads going over there right now. When we stay here, we get a spot right across from laundry right over there. So we can just do all the laundry. So I'm doing 3 loads right now and I'll do probably a couple more before we're out of here. Just like to get everything done. And I'm going to, scrub everything. Floor to ceiling, ceiling to floor. Probably start with ceiling to floor.
And I'm gonna get out of your hair.
Dave's gonna be gone for about 3 hours. He's going on a long run. Today's his long run day. So, yeah, that's what's going on this morning. And also what I want to get done. Pistol needs a little maintenance this morning. Her nails need trimmed, and I'm gonna give her a bath sometime today. And also, I need to clean her teeth. A little bit. So yeah, I'll show you how we manage that. But anyway, it's just a day doing chores and maintenance. I got my workout in early this morning. Got a little rained on.
That was funny. There was no rain in the forecast at all. And I was just having coffee and I heard it. And it wasn't like a sprinkle. It was like, that is like some serious big old fat rain.
Big old fat rain.
Yeah. I picked up with her out there. I thought I was waiting for any minute for you to come running in, but you just kept on working out.
No, you got to do it when it's
She's
hot.
A
Got to do it when it's cold.
Beast.
Do it when it's wet. Do it when you
just got to do it.
Just got to do it. And now it's done. So.
Mine's not.
No, we're just getting going.
It's a great place to run. We're just in Kelso at that Brook Hall RV Park. And
yeah.
I don't know if you can see it, but there's top of that hill there.
Right.
It's a nice, well-groomed, packed gravel road, but it's not. There's no cars allowed on it. But it's out and back. It's 8 miles, so it's a nice place to get some miles in.
And how many miles are you hoping to get today?
I don't know. I hate to say it out loud.
Oh, okay.
15 maybe.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Well, we'll see when you get back. I'll just be scrubbing and chilling.
How many bread left?
We do have a little bit of bread. We picked up a loaf of sourdough in Corvallis, but it is almost gone, sadly.
You could make one.
I could, but I need like a day's or two.
By the time we crave sourdough, the process takes too long to get the starter out and do it. So if there's some place to buy it, we do.
And I don't have bread flour right now on board. I have all-purpose, but not bread flour. But anyway,
we probably should impact that thing with us.
Yeah, no. When we're in a spot for like a week or something, I definitely like to do it. It's really hard to keep the starter, the bubbles really going while we're driving because it's so bumpy back here. So if I'm trying to leaven some bread, we come back and it's a little. But you know what? I've never turned down a loaf I've made. So, are you stalling? All right, I'll just be back here scrubbing. You get your run on.
Okay.
How'd it go? How far'd you go?
16 miles.
Oh, I like how we're like right with the sewer hose hanging behind us here. 16 miles? So he went more than what he predicted. Or what he was thinking. Yeah. How are you feeling now? Like you ran 16 miles?
Yep.
And what are you drinking?
I'm drinking sparkling water, but it makes me feel tough because it's called Liquid Death.
Liquid Death.
It's like we're not sponsored.
No.
Liquid Death.
Severed lime is that flavor.
I like it. It's only 20 calories. Doesn't have like a fake stuff in it, fake sweeteners. It's just carbonated water and agave nectar is the main stuff that's in it.
Nice.
Natural flavor. It's like a 7-Up that's not too sweet. It's not like sweet stuff.
Yeah.
So it's like I don't know, what are we talking about?
I don't, just that. Refreshing. You know what? I was busy cleaning while you were gone. I got a lot done.
That's right, you were.
Laundry, all that. Made myself an iced coffee. And
Put
now...
Pistol to work too?
Well, no, but now it's time for Pistol's pampering. First up, we have to do her nails. Now, we're going to trim them, and then we put these little plastic caps on the ends of 4 of them. Because of her arthritis, she doesn't pick her feet up like she used to, so these particular 4 nails drag on the ground a little bit, and if we don't put these little protective caps on them, it will wear it down to the quick. Like, it'll rub her nail completely off down to the quick. So we just put these little protective caps, and they last several weeks on there. In fact, we have to take a couple off right now to trim her nails, and then we'll put new ones on for the next few weeks. So that's going to be happening. And then she's going to get a bath at some point today, and also we need to clean her teeth. Man. Today's a chore day.
We need to give her a shower and
yeah. That works out pretty good. Okay, well, I'm gonna bring her out and we'll do her nails first.
Alrighty.
Okay. We are gonna tuck into our dinner here, and I'm not going to clean her teeth tonight because she's been through enough. She's in comfy cozy mode after her bath. She tried to escape from. Anyway, from here we're heading down, back down into Portland, Vancouver area to see the boys, and then we're heading over towards Sisters, Oregon, so we will meet you along the way. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.